Oregon City is fairly unique in the fact that we are the oldest city in Oregon, so we have a lot of infrastructure that is very old. In Oregon City, we have 144 miles of roads, and that includes the neighborhood streets, the collectors, and the arterials.
We have a couple of options. When we go to maintain a road, we can provide preventative maintenance on it, or we can completely rehabilitate it.
There are 4 types of preventative maintenance we use to prolong the life of a roadway, depending on the functional class and condition of the street. Crack seal is an injection of hot tar or asphalt into cracks and paving seams. Slurry seal is a very thin layer of emulsified liquid asphalt and finely graded aggregate used to seal streets. Micro seal is a form of slurry seal that uses modified liquid asphalt. Chip seal is a thin layer of asphalt and small aggregate, usually 3/8 to 1/2 inch, that is applied and compacted. A 5-year pavement maintenance plan was developed to create a long-term approach for using the limited funds our citizens pay through the pavement maintenance utility fee and ultimately prolong the health of our streets. If people have concerns with their road, there's a couple of things they can do. They can call the Public Works directly, 503-657-8241, or they can go to the Oregon City website, and down in the very bottom corner there's a little button called the OC request button. In there they can click on that button and then they can make a request in there.
Another thing I love about my job is the crew I work with. We have a diverse group of workers, different experiences, different backgrounds that all bring something to the table.
I'd like the residents of Oregon City to know that we're very strategic in how we approach our daily work, how we decide what streets we're going to fix and when, what work we're going to do and how.
I love working for Oregon City Public Works Department because I grew up here in this city. We are public servants. Everything we're doing is to make the road better.